on. Anybody realize something? Anybody realize that Jamaica is trending? Like, look how much Africans come to Jamaica. I do YouTubers and so on. And then the amount of tourists that came in the Christmas period. Oh my, trust me. Replace the button right here, so they make millions of tourists come. But they don't if it's no, you know. Jamaica is trending. Jamaica going with things. They have the Bob Marley movie coming out. You can't wait to watch that. Right? One bag of things are going. A bag of things. And guess what? Feel like some bad man in it. Where they hear say, yo, don't come to Jamaica cause rate. I mean, advice is sent out all the time, but I don't feel that one here. Feel like some bad man in it. What do you think? What do you guys think? You know about the advisory about the ban on tourists traveling to Jamaica? Oh, US citizens are advised not to travel to Jamaica because of some medical issues with the medical system. It's a wake-up call for the government still, you know, because sometimes they're too comfortable and they know that tourism is where they lose, where they make more money. So if they lose off of that, then obviously it's going to be not doing makeup, you know, because I put on my moisturizer and my sunscreen. My face just so oily, right? So I'm just putting on some powder. Look like my face cool like wash with the cake. So it's not a makeup video I'm doing a makeup. But the government needs to take heed, as she say, something needs to be done, because if we lose money in that way, what we are gonna do? What we are gonna do? Whether bad man or not, they have to do something about it. Well, in any case, people are book them ticket and glad when they put it up because the ticket price them cheap. People still are come to Jamaica because we still at. And I'm gonna show you some of the reasons why people love Jamaica and I can't stop people from coming here.
In a spoil. No, then go in a punch on the tree. So the next one here, so I want to water catch on the leaf. Yes, so in a spoil, sister. See there in a spoil.
Why they call it jackfruit?
I can't take a
So then cut it up and sell it like this.
You can't run with the customer. How you want me to go sell?
Grandma. Here is Charlie's 31 year old.
How much she say?
See me agree.
You're 31?
The biggest people in 31 year old. See, that's my mother. Next time, I don't reach a country come to expansion market. I left my British.
And you do so much walking.
See that?
Oh man, you need to buy a nice sneakers.
I have prep, but me never plan to it.
So miss, what is your reason why you look so young?
Who, me?
Make sure say you can well and bend.
If never tell her me age, she not be.
Yeah, almost 63.
That's 62.
Oh, look, you have to sit here.
And the walking is very good.
Yeah.
6.
You need to start walk again.
6.
Did you know that you can boil the seed of the jackfruit? Yeah. So just testing to see if it's cooked. So the jackfruit, you don't waste the inner part of it. Well, the other parts cannot be eaten. Still a bit tough. So we're gonna give it some more. rich style, more richness. And coconut water in the fridge. Probably should have taken off the outer shell, right? Just about that. But it has a nutty taste. So you know about the origin of the candy. The sun come out hot already. So where I am, the sun is sun come out hot now. I'm gonna go somewhere else. I'm a Jamaican. Of course, I'm calm, cool, and collected. Let me cuss out a family accent and press the round button. What's up, Kenny? Hey. Reaching out here without fear. Yeah, man. I eat now. Dogwood. Dogwood, see? Big old tree, going right over and up and